very good. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. And in case natin ito, sabay-sabay daw po natin, tatanggalin yung mga sapatos natin. 1, 2, 3, go! Go, sapatos! Ready?
Big shoes!
Alright, makatagal na ba? Makatagal na ba? Wow!
Si Mea dyan!
Taas natin dalawang kamay. Raise your two hands. Raise your two hands. And shake, 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 shake. Shake,
Si Mea, si Mea, si Mea.
And then tayo niya doon.
Hindi niya tinanggal yung shoes.
Cover your eyes. Using your two hands. Cover your eyes. Using your two hands. Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. Go. Okay. Okay, nag-start po kasi magbibilang siya doon ng 1 to 10. Pag nagbilang na siya doon ng 1 to 10, sa kanya na po tatanggalin yung mga kamay
Si Mea, hindi na punish yun.
po, babatiin natin si JK ng happy birthday. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Si Mea.
Open your eyes. Wow. My baby, busy na. Hey, open your eyes, baby. Okay, open your eyes. Okay, sabay-sabay ba? Sabay-sabay natin batiin. Si JK na happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, JK. Okay, kids. First three kids. Mga pagsuot na sapatos. Go, panalo. Okay, paligid.
Find your shoes! Find your shoes, dali! Ayun, dali, ayun, dali, dali! Go there! Go there!
Okay,
Pasa nada.